My son asked if I thought I could feel the heat all the way across his bedroom, so I thought we'd try it. So I turned on our Dreo space heater and I just stepped backwards, and every time I could still feel the heat all the way across his room. Of course, he wanted to feel the heat too because that's fun. The space heater is truly so powerful. I can't believe how quickly it heats up the room and how quickly it cools the room because it's also a fan. I love the remote. I love the oscillation. Click that orange card if you need some heat power too.